In this Dreamtime sail escapade, Karen and I finally say goodbye to the Hinchinbrook Channel and enjoy a very pleasant sail further north to Dunk Island. Here we enjoy golden sand beaches, visit tiny Mound Island, and explore some of Dunk's fantastic tropical rainforest walks, complete with stunning views over the family group of islands. We are headed for Dunk Island. It's a spot we've been a couple of times before. Lovely place.
Stunning.
Rainforest walks.
Yeah, rainforest walks, Ulysses butterflies.
Sand beaches.
Yeah, clear blue water.
And we're having well, it's a gentle sail. We've got less than 10 knots of wind, but we're getting along at about 4.5 knots. All pretty gentle. Got a little bit of swell coming in from the east, but nothing that's a real concern, is it?
No, it's a lovely day out on the water. The only thing that could be better is fish.
Yeah, we haven't caught a fish yet, but line's out, we can keep trying.
We have a number of boats chasing us down.
And one about to pass us very shortly in the form of the fusion catamaran called Virgil. And man, they've got a lot of sail up and they're doing about 8 knots. We're doing about 4.5.
They left about an hour behind us. They had an extra hour in bed.
And I reckon they're going to make our head spin as they zoom past.
They might take our wind as well.
Oh, every chance of that, looking at the size of those sails coming up on us. Oh, all a bit of fun.
If you'd miss the sunlight and feel love that comes to my head. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird. I've been chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades with you near. Tell me where we go from here.
After dropping anchor in Bramo Bay near Dunk Island's jetty, we had a pretty relaxing afternoon and evening on the boat, before heading ashore the following morning to check out the old resort and take on one of the national park walks. The airstrip here on Dunk Island still looks to be in absolutely perfect condition, ready for flights anytime. Such a shame to see all these resorts up and down the Queensland coast, either in mothballs or in terrible state of repair. This one on Dunk Island was smashed by a cyclone, and a lot of restoration work's been done. And our understanding is that the resort was sold, and now the sale has fallen through, and the owners are having to try and take possession of it back. It certainly is a lot more overgrown than when we were here a few years ago. The entrance to the walk is at the northeastern end of the beach, and the start's certainly well signed. So we're going to take the walk up to Mount Kootaloo today. It's just short of 6 kilometres round trip, and we're going from sea level to I think it's 270 metres in elevation. We're told the views are very good up there. We don't have clear blue skies, but the cloud cover is certainly keeping things a little bit cooler for us at least. The rainforest canopy is gorgeous from the moment you step onto the track. Another beautifully bright coloured berry found on the trail. Not sure what it's a seed of, but the whole rainforest is a cycle of growth, life and decay. And one organism's decay is another one's life.
We know that we're in the tropics. It's really quite steamy here, and we're sheltering for 20 knots of wind, or 25 plus they're really telling us, and there is not a breath in here.
Scrub turkey up there, pretty well hidden, a bit shy. Oh, the breeze is on this side of the hill.
Found that 25 knots, have we?
I don't think it's 25, I don't think it's 20, but it's cooler than none.
Oh, you found another beautiful spot, Rob.
The ferns up in the trees.
Stunning.
Karen carries the camelback water bladder.
I do. Carries a good 2 litres for us. So on a walk like this, we just need to carry the one. Yeah.
And you ration me?
Yeah, I ration you. Come on, have some. Now, Kootaloo outlook 1.1 k's. Yes, nearly there.
As we get closer to the top, the sunlight starts to break through the canopy.
And it's hot, the sun.
And we're on the sheltered side of the hill again, so no breeze.
No breeze.
Well, the walk is up, up and up. The actual incline's not bad. So I would describe this not as strenuous as Whitsunday Peak, not as strenuous as Brampton Island, and certainly not as strenuous as the Honey Eater walk at Airlie Beach. All 3 of those lead up to magnificent lookouts though, and that's certainly what we're hoping we get here as well. The star of the show, as always, is the rainforest. Hey Karen, we made it. Isn't that stunning?
It is. And look, we can see Penny too. Right where we started the walk, it was way down there. Over there. Yesterday we sailed from over there. This beautiful sail, and I can see someone else sailing through now. There's a sail up.
That's Tam O'Shanter Point straight across from the tip of the island, and then to the right, South Mission Beach. Thousands of years ago, this island was just a hill on the coastal plain. It's the hunting grounds of the Banjan and Juri people. And then the sea level right across the east coast of Australia rose dramatically, and a lot of these mountains became islands. Oh, Roger and Jan's arrived.
Only just.
Just turned up behind
A little bit of sweat going down the brow there.
Isn't it?
Ooh, that was.
Followed your footprints. We found you.
I was going to message you and go, please bring some.
I've got some.
Oh, good,
Yeah.
because it's been bloody bitey-bities, hasn't there?
So Roger and Jan from the boat Opportunity, they climbed the mountain. How was the walk, mate?
It was very nice. It's lovely and cool down there, but it was still very humid walking up. Very sweaty, but
At
nice
last,
walk.
I feel as though we're in real rain.
That's true, isn't it? Those vines and all those ferns on the, they're
This
gorgeous.
is what I expected from a Queensland island.
And the walk is worth it because the view is quite stunning, isn't it? And you can look back at Midgie City over there.
Let's not go back there, hey Dan. Oh,
It's still suffering.
yeah. Oh, antibiotics this afternoon for you, my girl.
I think so.
There's a number of spectacular walks on this island, and this is, I guess, the primo one up to the best view. But the rainforest itself is the star attraction of the island, and it's been attracting people here since before the World War II.
Is that right?
Absolutely, there was
Yeah.
the first holiday huts were down there in the 40s.
Wow. Yeah, well, it's a nice spot down there. It's a shame all those apartments haven't been rebuilt, but anyway.
It's unfortunately the world of world economics and international affairs. It's
Yep.
cheaper to fly to Bali than to come to a place like Dunk Island.
Stunning
And
place.
it's cheaper when you get there.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Anyway,
We're enjoying it.
we've got to go
We're gonna go
down. Surrounded by all this lush tropical vegetation, we weren't all that surprised when next morning we awoke to a plentiful supply of the main ingredient needed to sustain a rainforest: rain, rain and more rain. On days like this, we're very thankful for our fully enclosed cockpit. With these guys literally powerless, we fired up the trusty Honda to keep our batteries charged and settled in for a day of inside activities.
Rainy day this morning, Dunk Island. Rob's doing some editing, and I am doing some scones.
Okay.
Okay, yep, all right.
Where do I start? Looks good. The clouds are cleared and the sun's come out. But we're going to have a full day of rain the way it was this morning. With the rain holding off, we headed to nearby Mound Island in the dinghy to join Roger and Jan for sundowners on the tiny islet. It's a no-go zone from October to March to protect the seabird hatchery. With this still being early September, nesting hadn't started yet. We didn't actually get a sunset, but we'd never let that stop sundowners being a very enjoyable session anyway. Clear skies the next day saw us head ashore for a relaxing walk on the beach around the western side of the island. The beach has been completely eroded away with these coconut palms. They've got their root ball intact with clinging onto some soil, and so far still appear to be thriving. When we reached the track to Coconut Beach, we couldn't help ourselves and just headed down a little way. Then a little way more. And a little way more. And despite being ill-equipped for the bush, we really just didn't know when to stop.
large mounds from fresh femur. Not this type, but bush turkey type. Whoa, that's a pretty big mound.
I guess we go this way. Had a little bit of an accident. That's because we thought we were going on a just a leisurely beach walk and then decided to come on this trail.
A bit silly, I was saying.
What happened, sweet?
Oh, just coming down these mossy rocks. I just slipped on the undergrowth and the camera has gone down there. Whew.
And down there we mean
Down there.
and there is the cannon.
Oh, how is it?
Well, looks okay to me.
Hit a few rocks going down.
So far so good. Have you got a lens cap?
That's my bra.
Well, that's a good place for it, at least it's safe. Now all I've got to do is...
You to go out on the beach and I meet you around the other side, or?
No, I've got to come back up that cliff. No problem.
We never walk in flip-flops. What are we doing?
Then again, maybe problem because there's so much vine and all the rock is slippery and loose.
And thanks for going getting my cannon.
It's going to need a little bit of
Goodness.
cleaning. It's bounced down the cliff, but appears to be still all operational.
Man, oh man. Oh, I can't believe that nothing's... My hero.
We had 3 great days on Dunk Island and could have happily stayed more, but there were more islands further north calling us.
And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades when you're near. So tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here.
If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us with YouTube to reach more people. If you also hit the bell button, you'll be notified each time we release a new episode. Come sail with us again soon.